Morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a morning routine. It is a Saturday morning and I have a pretty chill day today. I do photography on the side as like a side business, so I have some photo shoots later, some graduation pictures on a college campus like later towards sunset. But for today I'm just going to be chilling here. I am going to be showing you guys just what I do in the morning. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. But so far, I have woken up, gone on my phone, done my Bible reading, and now I'm just gonna do a workout. So I am very, very unathletic, and I have been trying to do workouts, and I do like walks. That's pretty chill for me, but workouts are a struggle. So I've been trying to be more active because my energy levels are really low. So I'm trying to use like resistance bands and do kind of more like core workouts and stuff that's not super high intense. I've never been to the gym before. Like I am just not athletic at all. So I'm gonna be trying to do some workouts, so please don't judge me. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing like 15 minutes of that and then I'll just move on with the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, now that I'm out of breath, let's go make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna make an acai bowl. I have some from Trader Joe's that are super good, so I'm gonna go make that. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be getting ready now and I wanted to talk to you guys about all natural products and just kind of my switch that I made a few months ago to try to be more natural. Now, I'm not 100% all natural, like my toothpaste I just used wasn't natural, but I'm really trying to switch over everything to be all natural. I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite brands that don't have any chemicals in them or harsh things, and I feel like people don't realize how bad some of the things in America that we have, that we're putting onto our bodies, into our bloodstream, on our skin, that is really bad for you. So I wanted to start out and talking about just kind of like as my routine goes on, all the products that I use and two of my all-time favorite brands. So the first brand I'm going to be talking about is Pacifica. I have a lot of different products from them. So I'll start out, I have an all-natural deodorant from them. This is the one, coconut cream. It's called a clean deodorant. So basically what I was explained about natural deodorant is when you use a deodorant, like I had Dove Secret, which is the blue one, the very popular one that everyone has. And when you put that on every single day, it actually stops you from sweating, which is why you never have like anything there unless you're like really sweaty person. But otherwise, you're actually being stopped from sweating, which means the toxins in your body cannot be released. And so when you switch over to a clean deodorant, you're gonna be surprised because you're like, why am I so sweaty? Your clothes are gonna start to be stained and you're like, is this not working? So basically, the natural deodorant, you're still sweating. This just helps you not to smell bad when you're sweating. So this helps, and it says odor fighting enzymes in here. So this makes it so I don't smell bad. No one has ever told me I've smelled bad. I've asked people when I first started, I was like, I feel like I smell bad. But literally my clothes are stained. I have to be very careful about what I'm wearing. But the effects are so worth it because it can cause breast cancer and skin problems and a lot of different issues. So I have that one. Also, when I bought this from Pacifica, it was $25 for this deodorant, which I don't feel like I'm gonna run out anytime soon. Then it came with these wipes that in case you're like really sweaty. And then I have it in my shower, but it's a charcoal cleansing because your body has been so used to all that buildup inside of your armpits. So you have to get it all out by using that charcoal, I forgot what it's called, it's like a purifier, so it gets it all out. But then I also have the Pacifica body wash. This is the lavender and rose. Then I have one of their lotions. This is Ocean Citrus. I love this brand because it feels very still teen-like and very pretty. Another thing is fragrances. These are really, really bad for you. Like I was using a Victoria's Secret one before. So bad for you. You look at the list of all the chemicals in there and you're like, why am I putting this on my body? So this one is called French Lilac. It's very pretty, it's very nice, and it's totally free of everything. It's 100% vegan. I think it's funny when you see like a brand and it says like 99% vegan. I'm like, well, what is the 1%? So I have that. I also have their face wash. I have one of their sunscreens. They have the best stuff. I really love theirs. Okay, and then a few other random things. Oh, I also have this one, Indian Coconut Nectar. This one's really nice too. I have the brand Palmer's. So this is what you want to look out for. It says no parabens, I'm going to mess this one up. It's like phthalates or something, no mineral oil, no gluten, no sulfates, no dyes, formulated with ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients, fair trade, and this is going to be all natural. So I really like their lotion. And then I have this primer that I'm going to be using for my makeup routine. This one's by Seraphine. This one's really nice. And then I wanted to get into the makeup. So this brand is beautiful, just have to say. It's probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing brands I've ever seen. So it's called Merit. It comes in this adorable little bag. Got some foundation on it. This adorable little bag, and let me show you guys all the products that they have. So this is their full makeup line. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free and natural and everything, but it's still so beautiful. So I want to show you guys, and I'll walk you through my makeup routine with them. But I want to show you guys the products first. So this is called the Minimalist. That's their whole brand, is about being minimalist and keeping things very simple. So sometimes I get way too heavy on makeup, start making my face look like a cake, and it's like, this brand reminds me to stop and make things very simple and just enhance the natural beauty I already have. One of their lines that they have for their brand is my favorite, and it says like, you want compliments on your skin, not on your makeup. And so they want it to be so natural that it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. So this is their foundation concealer stick that's the same. So it's all in one. And I got this shade for more of a summer look, expecting myself to be more tan by now, and I'm not. So it's a little bit too dark for me, but I'll make it work for this video to show you guys. But they have this one. And then I think my favorite product by them is their brows and lashes. I really like it. And knowing that it's clean is so much better. So I'll show you guys. This is the highlighter. This one is so pretty. I really like this. But the packaging, so nice. So everything is very, very minimalistic. So I have the highlighter stick. Very nice. Oh, I took it out already. It's in my drawer here. This is really nice. It's a lip oil and it's very natural. I'll show you guys at the end of the makeup look how pretty that one is. They have the blush stick. This is the one in raspberry. It's a little too dark for me, but I didn't realize that till later. But it's still really pretty, so I like that one. And then I think, honestly, this is called the Brow 1980. This is probably the best brow, like, it's not even a pencil. It's so natural. It's like a tinted, like, not gel, but I don't know what you call it. It's really, really nice. And this is probably my favorite brow product I've ever used. It's so natural. It doesn't look like you have this big chunks. So that's all their products that I have. Wait, where's the mascara too. I really like their mascara. So I'll show you guys a full makeup look with them, and then I'll use some of the other products and kind of just show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, let's just get started with the makeup look. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look with the Merit products, so I really love it. I do have a discount link you guys can use. I will have that down below, but I'm super excited. I hope you guys will check them out. Their Instagram is like super aesthetic, so you guys gotta check that out. But I really love it. It feels super natural, and it just literally enhanced the features I already have. So there we go. And now my room is an absolute disaster. I will show you guys the before and after. I'm going to clean it. But before I do that, let me show you guys some of the products. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on the fragrance, and I'm still wearing pajamas. This is my Shawn Mendes shirt from when I saw him in concert in 2019. Really missing that, but jeez, I got the hell. I usually just do like 3 sprays, and then I have the deodorant. I just put on like normal, just because it's natural. Doesn't mean anything's different. And now I'm gonna get dressed and then clean my room, so let's do it. Also, I put my hair in braids last night when I took a shower, so I'm kind of just waiting for it to feel dry enough for me to take out, and then it'll be pretty waves. But for now, it's still gonna be in these 12-year-old girl braids, so let's get dressed. Okay, so pretty basic for today's fit. We have these jeans from Brandy Melville, this top from Ross, simple tank top, Air Force Ones, and this little white purse from Shein. I'm just gonna be photo shooting, like I said, and it's like 80 degrees outside, so I wanted to do a tank top, but I'm still gonna be photo shooting, so I don't want like a dress or a skirt or something. I don't really own pairs of shorts, so probably should get some of those, but yeah, just jeans and a tank top for now, so pretty simple.
Hey, what's up, boys and girls? Goodbye.
I'm gonna take out my hair now. It looks so bad right now, but it will look better in just a second. And so this is gonna be the end of my morning routine. I'm just gonna finish editing some photos from some shoots this week and just chill until I have to leave for the photo shoots later. So I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine and seeing what I do and getting to show you guys some of my favorite natural products. I really was excited to show you guys that. Don't forget to check out Merit and all of their beauty products, so beautiful. Make sure to check that out with the link down below that I have for you guys to get a discount. Super easy and very shareable if you guys want to share with friends as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Let me know if you have any prayer requests. My DMs are always open, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.